Why are presumptions important in court cases? Imagine a scenario where a person is accused of a crime, but there is little direct evidence linking them to the incident. In such situations, the legal system relies heavily on presumptions to help guide the process of establishing truth. Presumptions are legal assumptions that courts accept as true until evidence suggests otherwise. They serve as foundational tools that streamline judicial proceedings and ensure fairness. Presumptions are crucial because they help allocate the burden of proof. When a presumption exists, the party against whom it applies must provide evidence to rebut or challenge it. For example, in criminal law, there is a presumption of innocence until proven guilty. This means that the prosecution must present sufficient evidence to establish guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Such presumptions protect individuals from wrongful convictions by requiring the state to prove its case thoroughly. In civil cases, presumptions often relate to the validity of certain facts based on common experience or legal standards. For instance, if someone is found in possession of recently stolen property, there is a presumption that they knew it was stolen. The defendant can then present evidence to counter this presumption if they believe otherwise. These presumptions help courts focus on relevant issues and avoid unnecessary delays by establishing initial assumptions that are easy to prove or disprove. Presumptions also promote consistency and predictability in legal proceedings. When courts recognize certain presumptions, parties understand the starting points for their cases, which helps in preparing evidence and arguments. For example, the presumption of legitimacy in family law assumes a child is the biological offspring of the presumed parents unless evidence suggests otherwise. This presumption simplifies legal processes related to custody and inheritance. Furthermore, presumptions can be either conclusive or rebuttable. Conclusive presumptions are absolute and cannot be challenged with evidence, while rebuttable presumptions can be overturned if sufficient proof is presented. This distinction allows the legal system to balance efficiency with fairness, ensuring that only appropriate presumptions are treated as final. In summary, presumptions are vital in court cases because they help establish initial facts, allocate the burden of proof, promote consistency, and facilitate efficient resolution of disputes. They serve as essential tools that uphold the integrity of the judicial process and protect individual rights while ensuring that justice is ultimately served.